We have talked about the Motorola Edge Lite smartphone several times, and now the parameters of the device have appeared on the network. As expected, the smartphone will receive the SoC Snapdragon 765. That is, this parameter will not differ from the older Motorola Edge model. 90Hz screen, Qualcomm 5G platform, and the American brand. The parameters of the Motorola Edge Lite became known. The smartphone Motorola Edge Lite will receive a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display and a quad camera. Not so long ago, it was reported that the Motorola Edge Lite smartphone, which supports work in 5G cellular networks, is being prepared for release, and now internet sources have published the detailed technical specifications of this mid-range device. It is known that the new product will receive a 6.7 inches display with a resolution of 2520 by 1080 pixels, Full HD Plus format, a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and HDR support. It is said that there is a dual front camera based on sensors with 8 megapixels and 2 megapixels, which will be located in an oblong hole in the screen. A quad camera with following configuration will be installed in the back of the case: a 48 megapixel main camera sensor, as well as sensors for 16 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 5 megapixels. The core will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865G processor with 8 Kryo 475 cores and Adreno 620 graphics accelerator and an X52 5G modem. The amount of RAM LPDDR4X will be 4GB or 6GB. The capacity of a UFS 2.1 flash drive is 64 or 128GB. Among other things, a display fingerprint scanner, a 4800 mAh battery with support for 18-watt turbo power charging, an NFC controller, dual SIM system, a symmetric USB Type-C port are mentioned. The device will ship with the Android 10 operating system. Some leak indicates that the smartphone will cost €400. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.